Dogs, often hailed as man's best friend, have a rich and fascinating history that stretches back tens of thousands of years. Don't you think it's incredible how these loyal companions have evolved alongside humans? Let's take a chronological journey through the life of a dog, from its wild ancestors to its indispensable role in our lives today. The story of the dog begins with its ancestor, the gray wolf, Canis lupus. Around 20,000 to 40,000 years ago, during the last ice age, some wolves started to venture closer to human camps. These wolves were likely less aggressive and more curious, scavenging for food scraps left by humans. Isn't it amazing how a simple need for food initiated the domestication process? Over time, humans and wolves developed a mutually beneficial relationship. Wolves provided early humans with protection, hunting assistance, and companionship, while humans offered food and shelter. This symbiotic relationship eventually led to the domestication of wolves, resulting in the first domesticated dogs, or Canis lupus familiaris. The domestication process involved selective breeding, which enhanced traits that were beneficial to humans, such as tameness and loyalty. Isn't it fascinating how humans influenced the evolution of an entire species? As humans settled into agricultural societies, dogs became invaluable in various roles. They helped herd livestock, protected property, and even assisted in hunting. There is something called coevolution, where two species evolve in response to each other. Dogs and humans are prime examples of this, having shaped each other's development over millennia. Have you ever considered how intertwined our histories are? In ancient civilizations, dogs were highly regarded, and often depicted in art and literature. For example, in ancient Egypt, dogs were associated with Anubis, the god of the afterlife. In ancient Greece and Rome, dogs were revered for their loyalty and bravery. Isn't it intriguing how dogs have always held a special place in human culture? Fast forward to the modern era, and dogs have become one of the most beloved pets around the world. Today, there are over 340 recognized dog breeds, each with unique characteristics and traits. From the tiny Chihuahua to the majestic Great Dane, dogs come in all shapes and sizes. Have you ever marveled at the diversity within the canine world? In our daily lives, dogs serve various roles beyond being just pets. They work as service animals, assisting people with disabilities. They serve as therapy dogs, providing comfort to those in hospitals and nursing homes, and they even work in law enforcement, sniffing out drugs and explosives. There is something called canine cognition, which refers to the mental capabilities of dogs. Isn't it remarkable how intelligent and versatile these animals are? Dogs also bring immense joy and laughter to our lives, with their playful antics and unwavering loyalty. Who hasn't chuckled at a dog chasing its tail or fetching a stick? Speaking of fetching, why did the dog sit in the shade? Because it didn't want to be a hot dog. Jokes aside, dogs have a unique way of making us smile and feel loved. Studies have shown that owning a dog can have numerous health benefits, including reducing stress, increasing physical activity, and even lowering blood pressure. Have you ever noticed how a dog's presence can instantly lift your spirits? This phenomenon, known as the pet effect, is a testament to the positive impact dogs have on our well-being. Isn't it heartwarming to know that these furry friends contribute so much to our health and happiness? In conclusion, dogs have a rich history that spans thousands of years, evolving from wild wolves to cherished companions. Their journey is marked by their adaptability, unique behaviors, and the special bond they share with humans. Isn't it amazing how these creatures, once wild and independent, have become such an integral part of our lives? As we continue to share our homes and hearts with them, we can look forward to many more years of joy and companionship with our canine friends.